I'm going to show you how to speed up footage so you can give it a time-lapse effect. So in order to speed up footage, all you need to do is select the clips that you want to speed up. Then you're gonna right-click on it, and you're gonna go down and choose Speed Duration. So you can see here, it's at 100%. If I drag to the right, that is speeding things up. If I drag the other way, it's gonna actually slow things down. I'm gonna crank it way up to like 750 and just see what that gets. So now I'm at 750%. To preview what you did, just simply hit the spacebar. This is definitely giving me that time-lapse effect I want. One thing you might notice though is that the audio has also sped up. In order to delete the audio track without affecting the video, all you need to do is simply hold the Option key, click on Audio, and now hit Delete. So that is one of many ways to speed up the duration of a clip. You simply select the clips you want to speed up, right-click, go to Speed Duration, change speed by dragging to the right, drag to the left to slow things down, and that is your quick tip.